So I haven't been feeling well the last couple days, and we have a lot of dishes around, and I am going to be putting our dishwasher to the test. This pot here has been sitting out, is all crusty and gross, and I'm putting it in the dishwasher just like that. I'm not rinsing it, nothing. I'm going to use Cascade Platinum Plus because that's what the lady on Clean Talk said to use. I'll link to her below. And I am going to put it in the drawer because she said to do that too, not like some other people have advised. And we're just going to leave it on auto and let it do its thing. Okay. Here are the results. Let's see. Wow. Wow, that's pretty good. There's one little spot there, but I think this is kind of something that's really burnt on, but I can get that off with a steel wool. But yeah, it worked.